Man, it's Mike from Sawdust Startups, Armor Woodworks by Mike, and I am so disappointed. Not one fool showed up to this house this morning. Not one fool. What's wrong with you? Mad Outlaw, I am ticked off. I'm lying. Look at all them pretty people back there. Y'all say, hey, Matt.
Hey, Matt. Hey, Nick.
All right, we'll see you guys later. I'll be back. It's Mike from Armor Woodworks. Stay sweet.
Okay, I'll start over. So the first thing that I ever built that kind of made me feel like I might be able to build stuff, my mother-in-law asked me if I'd build her a hutch, a kitchen cabinet that she could put her 1980 700-pound giant microwave in and have some storage. So I just went to Home Depot and bought a bunch of that pine project, that whatever pine board, and I built it. It's not great, but it looks good.
But don't it feel good after you build something? Go, I did that.
Yeah, I did like miters on the door faces and stuff, and put it all together. And you know, as the maker, you always see all of the faults. I'm like, it's a piece of junk.
Yeah.
But everybody that sees it loves it, and I'm like, well, you know, it does look pretty good. And the further I got in the project, the better I got at stuff. And I'm like, man, I could probably
I could make some
a
money.
little bit of money
Matt
building
said
stuff.
you could. What got you into it?
We had this little dog and decided that he needed a little house. So I had never built anything before at all, and decided to go ambitious. And I decided to build a kennel that was also a end table for in the living room. And bought some real nice Brazilian walnut that I wanted to use for the top and the drawer face. And then just decided to do the base all out of wood with wood dowels. And I learned through that process that I should have used metal, that the wood dowels really suck for something like that. Of course, I see, like Thomas said, I see all the flaws in it, especially with those dowels. Nobody else sees them. Everyone loves them. I did a breadboard top on it, which I had never done. Used dowels, which I had never done. Did not have a planer or a flattening sled. You know, just used cauls when I joined the boards together up top, and it just all worked out. You know, it all worked out. I put electrical outlets in the back of the top of it to be able to plug stuff in, and my wife was absolutely thrilled. I've had people say they wish they had one just like it when they came in, and at the time I wasn't at a point where I was going to, you know, make a business out of this. Mm-hmm. But that really cemented in my head that I could make a business out of this if I wanted to. Now that I'm, you know, out of work and disabled, I got all the time in the world.
There you go, bro.
So it's you know, just a matter of the money to get a project done to sell. I've got a few done. You know, you got to start somewhere. Got to start small to get big. And
I know Greg.
I got to start going.
Yeah, I know Greg ain't gonna want to talk, but he gonna say hey to y'all. Say hey, Greg. Hey. Turn around. Y'all can see me. Greg used to build shadow boxes, and he gonna get back into it. So y'all be ready, cause here we come. Turn around. Everybody see everybody?
I don't know.
Can we see? All right, we going. Out. Hey, remember Jesus loves y'all. It's Mike from Woodworks by Mike. What's up, guys? It's me. It's Michael Lee from Armor Woodworks by Mike. Hey, today was a special day. Let me get out of that sun right there. Today was a special day. It was our first annual, after today, Sawdust Startup Cookout. And man, what an absolute blast. I'm laid back today because I'm gonna be honest with you. We did make some sawdust. We did throw some laser glitter. Guys helped me out a lot with my home plates that I'm selling. We went over some techniques. We went over first builds. But today, we spent a lot of that time talking about Jesus and just how much this community has affected these guys and myself. So, I mean, I can't thank Matt Outlaw, Nick, and Greg enough, man. I'm gonna just be honest. There were grown men in this shop, and we were in tears at just what Jesus had done for us, and the trials He had brought us through. So, if you don't know Him, reach out to me. I'll be glad to share my story with you and let you know just how much He can do for you. But Robert, Greg, I'm gonna tell you right now, man. Great idea. I'm glad we did this. Thomas, dude, it's like I knew you for 100 years already. Thank you for sharing with me. Thank y'all for praying together today. Thank you for just being here. We've got to do this again and do it soon. I think we just might be moving around to do this. Now that's on me. That's on Greg. That's on Thomas. That's on Robert. But that's a good possibility. We might just show up close to you. So stay tuned. It's Mike from Armor Woodworks by Mike. And just know this with all my heart, Jesus loves you. See you guys on the next one.